Do you struggle with creating content for your podcast, or are you at a place where you're running out of things to talk about? Your listeners aren't where you wanted to be, and you just really need to regroup and reset so that you can make sure that you're podcasting the right way? Or are you just getting started and you don't know where to go with coming up with topics, how to organize the show, how to make your show stand out, all of the things that's necessary to have a successful podcast? Well, here at Anchor Media, we have the Planner. So the planner is a hybrid between a planner and a workbook. When it comes to podcasting, we need more than a space where you can write dates down in. You need something that you can work through so that you are building a profitable podcast. The things that we cover in this planner are the things that I have used with shows that I've worked with, as well as my show, to get them to a place where they're charting on Apple Podcasts, where they're making thousands in their business, where their show is seamlessly funneling listeners into customers for their business. They have all followed the same steps that I'm outlining here in this planner. And because Black Friday is coming up and who doesn't want a deal, we're offering it to you for 15% off using code BLK Friday. In addition to the 15% off, I'm going to be doing a live content planning class. So I'm not leaving you out there to figure it out on your own. I'm going to work with you live on planning out profitable content for your podcast. In addition to that, I'm also going to do a Q&A. So you'll be able to ask me directly things that you can do to improve your listenership or get started on the right foot for your podcast. And that's going to be going down December 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be teaching you how to strategically plan out your episodes, how to market your podcast so that as many people as possible are listening, and how to make sure that your episodes are marketable and profitable, okay? Those are two things that are so necessary to developing an impactful and income-generating show. Make sure that you visit anchormedia.com/planner to get your 15% off. Remember, use offer code BLK Friday.